DPI manufactures aluminium frames and light boxes for use with tension fabric. DPI is based here in Castle Donington, just down the road from Donington's world famous motor circuit, just down the road from the airport as well. We manufacture everything here from a small wall mounted frame using a very thin 19mm profile, right up to huge light boxes. You see one behind me right now.
Everything that we produce is completely bespoke, so we'll be to the millimetre in terms of the width and the height. We have a very strong 24-volt LED system to illuminate your fabrics, and we can also get it bespokely powder coated to any colour that you wish to have it as well.
Our light boxes are illuminating some of the world's most famous brands currently. We deal with a wide range of either retail businesses or the printing trade themselves, and the idea is that each frame takes a push fit fabric with a silicone edge, making them very, very easy to change out the graphic image by almost anybody. It's very easy to fit, it's very easy to replace, and with printing methods these days on fabric, they look amazing.
So we're used to delivering at a fast pace, we're used to having to work out of hours, to install, to work around all the health and safety issues.
I'd say the reason that we are one of the best at what we do is because we are very, very hard working in making sure that your requirements are met to the exact specification. Our turnaround times, second to none. We can get these things done, made well and shipped out to yourself.
We get a job and we try and turn it around as quick as we can, but the quality will still be 100% quality all the time. I QCF in myself at the end of it, and if there's anything that I'm not happy with, it goes back sort of down the line. The guys sign each stage of the job off.
One thing that has to stand out, and that as a smaller business when we first started, we had to be absolutely top notch on customer service, and we really are obsessed by it. From day one, when there were just two of us running this business, our priority was to get quotes out on time, to get orders out on time.
The team at DPI, I describe us as a unique bunch. We don't hire here on skill set, we hire here on passion. We all want to have a fabulous time while we're working, but we all know how hard we have to work to make sure that we can have that fun element.
Sandra and I fell into business together, literally. We started this business about 4 years ago now, and we grew it and grew it and grew it to the point now this is all we do, day in, day out, and we've never looked back.
It's fantastic working with everyone here at DPI. It's great people to have a laugh with. Yes, it's just a great atmosphere to work in and keep going forward with.
And we're all sort of one team here. There's no sort of us and them. These guys know that they can always go upstairs and see them, and vice versa. Great little place to work, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger.
We moved in here into these current premises about 12 months ago now, thinking that this would maybe be our forever place. And I think we need now space for doing pre-builds, for bigger projects, for a lot more storage, and for just generally dealing with the increased workload, which is literally going upwards.